Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Emma app and whether or not it's safe to use. Now, I know there's been a lot of buzz around this app lately, and for good reason. It's a great way to manage your finances, track your spending, and even save money. But with any new technology, there's always the question of security. So, is the Emma app safe to use? Well, let's take a look at some of the security measures that Emma has in place. First, they use bank-grade encryption to protect your data. This means that your information is safe from hackers and other malicious actors. Second, Emma is registered with the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, which is a UK government agency that regulates financial services. This gives you peace of mind knowing that Emma is a legitimate and trustworthy company. So, is the Emma app safe to use? In short, yes. Emma takes security very seriously, and they have a number of measures in place to protect your data. Of course, there's always a risk when you share your financial information with any company, but Emma is a safe and reliable option for managing your finances. Now, let's talk about some of the other benefits of using the Emma app. One of the best things about Emma is that it's easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, and you can get up and running in no time. Plus, Emma offers a variety of features to help you manage your money, such as budgeting tools, expense tracking, and even investment advice. Overall, I think the Emma app is a great option for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. It's safe, easy to use, and packed with features. If you're looking for a way to improve your financial health, I highly recommend giving Emma a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.